Dandruff is a common scalp condition in which small pieces of dry skin flake off of the scalp. If you have dark hair or wearing dark colors, you may notice the flakes in your hair or on your shoulders. Dandruff may also make your scalp itch and usually gets worse during the fall and winter because of the dry air, while improving in the summer. This scalp condition causes fungus malassezia, which feeds on sebum, the oily matter secreted by the sebaceous glands on our scalp, and the dead skin cells, which occur naturally due to the formation of new skin. Fortunately, I am going to show you how to get rid of dandruff the right way. Essential oils, scalp masks, foods, supplements, and more help get rid of dandruff. When you use these natural remedies I discuss below, those white flakes will be a distant memory. Number 1. Curd. Curd, rich in vitamin B5 and proteins, is beneficial for hair. The protein content existing in curd helps fortify and moisturize a hair besides repressing the unrelenting annoying dandruff. Moreover, rich creamy curd consisting of antibacterial agents reduce irritation and itchiness of the scalp, providing ample relief. A method for using curd follows these instructions. Apply some curd to your hair and scalp, let it sit tight for about an hour. Allow the curd to rest for an hour before cleansing with a mild shampoo and plenty of lukewarm water. This helps combat dandruff by clearing and tightening the scalp pores. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. As the acidity of apple cider vinegar changes the pH of your scalp, making it harder for the yeast to grow. Mix a 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup water in a spray bottle and spritz on your scalp. Wrap your head in a towel, let sit for 15 minutes to an hour, and then wash your hair as usual. Do this twice a week. Number 3. Coconut oil. Because coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids, including lauric acid and capric acid, it has strong antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. These features help target and kill the fungus and any viruses or bacteria that may exist. And many results can occur within just a week or so. Number 4. Lemon. Dandruff relief may be no farther away than your refrigerator. Just massage 2 tablespoons lemon juice into your scalp and rinse with water. Then stir 1 teaspoon lemon juice into 1 cup water and rinse your hair with it. Repeat this daily until your dandruff disappears. Lemon's acidity helps balance the pH of your scalp, which helps keeps dandruff at bay. Number 5. Olive oil. The olive oil in your kitchen cabinet, it can be very useful because it can temporarily remove dandruff flakes. Just apply a little bit of unrefined organic olive to scaly patches on the scalp. Let it sit for about an hour. Then use a comb or brush to smooth out the hair. If you apply too much, you will likely have oily hair and may need to shampoo. Number 6. Calm your mind. In some people, depression and anxiety may link to dandruff flare-ups, dermatologist says. Even if you are not depressed or anxious, chronic stress is never great for your skin, and dandruff is a skin problem. If you have noticed a link between your mood and your dandruff outbreaks, these steps may help. Find healthy ways to release your stress. Meditate, work out, and don't hesitate to get help from a therapist if your stress or moods get intense.